Shalom, shalom. Happy Sunday, my people. And happy new month to everyone. You're welcome to ChukwuKa Dibia program. This is a wonderful program that used to come every Sunday. But all those fake Zion of Satan and no more fake, they hacked my page. They hacked my Facebook page. They hacked my TikTok. And they hacked so many of my social media. So this is my new social media, Prophet David Yahweh on TikTok. Then if you're following me on Facebook, you will see our new page. I'm on live with Zion City of the Yahweh Synagogue, Lagos. But follow me on Zion City, IGBO Liberation, Healing, and Solution. So that is where I'm going to be coming. Please, if you have not followed me, please kindly follow me on my Facebook, new Facebook, Zion City, IGBO Liberation, Healing, and Solution. We're gonna be exposing the kingdom of darkness. We're gonna be doing healing. We're gonna be doing solution. We're gonna be delivering people from ancestral power. We're gonna be destroying. We're gonna be teaching you why you cannot worship idol, why you cannot pray to grave image, why you cannot worship other God. Know that we are Chukwu. Chukwu, we are Israel. We are the holy people. The only holy people in the world. We are the Jews, we are the black Jews, we are the African Jews, we are the Igbo Jews. I don't care to whatever teaching you have had on Facebook by all those small boys. Know that before you were born, you already know that we are Igbos, we are the Israelites. Okay? That's why when you come to Nigeria, you find out that the way they are treating us, the way they treat Igbo. Sorry, I'm going to be using Igbo in this program, my people. So first and foremost, I want to pray for you all over the whole world anywhere you join us. Let us pray, because in everything we do, we must pray, because prayer is the key and prayer is the answer. Now, know that we are not a religious people who does not have sense. This is spirituality. Spirituality is to make you to know who you are and to ask questions. Religion is to make you to believe in what somebody is telling you. So that's why my preaching is different. My healing is different. I can use anything to perform miracle. I can use water. I can pray on phone. I can do spiritual work. I do so many things. My number is this. I have only one number in case you want to call for the program. +234 903 222 6076. I'm not going to be taking a live picture. I'm not going to be taking live video, but you can call on video call. I can talk to you through video call. The reason why I don't want to be going Facebook live with people and TikTok live with people because of your identity. Many of you will not want your video to show, maybe because of your security and all that. I don't have any WhatsApp group or any group you can join. I don't have it. I'm trying to protect my people. I have fans all over the whole world. I have thousands of people all over the whole world, in America, Canada, Nigeria, diasporas, in Lagos, in Abuja, in Canada, in UK, in Germany, in Japan, in Ecuador, in Germany, in South Africa, all over the whole world. I have healed thousands of people from all over the whole world. This is a movement that came by Almighty God. No, God told me that it's not going to be easy for me. You know, this is not like a church. This is a movement. This is a prayer city. And God instructed me to go to Igbo land, Biafra land, to establish Zion City, the New Jerusalem. Now, Zion City was established in 1990. In case those who are just meeting me, in 1990, we started in Ibuku with my brother. The first foundation we built in our father's house is a ministry. So we're into healing, deliverance, and spirituality. So this is more of like spirituality, whereby we can stop the attack from any kingdom. We can destroy any marine kingdom that is working against you. We can destroy any witchcraft that is working against you. Now, many of you, we say, oh, you're asking for money. No, we don't ask for money for prayer. If you need free prayer, come anytime I'm doing program. We have a place in the People's Club. Now, I can go there every Saturday and join my people to pray, and you will receive your blessings. In Lagos, I've been here for many years, but God has sent me. The headquarters of this ministry is in Anambra. The greater altar, the greatest altar in the world is Zion City of the Yahweh Synagogue, the altar that have 1.60 million angels. They will have the altar in Lagos where I receive power. The angel that live there, 1.60 million angels. So we are building the mountain by next year. So we are using People's Club now in Anambra State. according to the direction of God, to make it easy. Because me, I consider people in everything I do, because they can have people like Okura, the open WhatsApp group, people from there, the fraud people. So I'm avoiding those things. That's why sometimes to look at we're not moving, we're moving. So, and I want to appreciate all my sons and daughters, my partners, my sponsors, anybody who have been supporting this movement. You can support by joining partner. And once you join partner, I'll pray for you. I'll do so. So we believe in Saraka because this is a great mandate to help mankind. We started this charity from 2006. When I was shot 7 bullets in 2006. Then I shared 10 buses in one day just to help mankind. I visited almost 10 orphanages, and that's where this great commission started. It's not today. So we don't come on Facebook because people are doing. We do. This is not. I'm not like anyone. That's why my pattern of prayer, my pattern of my thing are different. You can call it anything you like to call, but know that this is God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. We practice what is in the Bible. So if God asks us to do Saraka, we do Saraka. That's what Jesus Christ did. Jesus Christ always share food to people that is hungry. So I follow it. Jesus Christ always do healing. Jesus Christ move on the street, go to marketplace and do miracles. So I am not one of the, I don't even like to stay inside church. That's it. 99% of my miracle is on the street and on the Facebook. And you know, it cannot do 419 on live video. It can't do that on Facebook. So if your pastor cannot perform alright miracle, it's fake. If your pastor cannot perform miracle on the street, in marketplace, it's fake. Because inside church, you can pay people money. They will come out and act like, look at what is happening now. They will have, I want to advise ChukwuKa, please share the telecast. ChukwuKa, please, my brother. I see you entering big problem. This boy that he collected 3 million naira from, I will advise you, please tag ChukwuKa, share it, ChukwuKa, tag him. I will advise ChukwuKa, my brother, to, even if he cannot give the boy 3 million naira, give him 2 million. The guy have cried enough. Reason why I'll ask you to, this is why Majesty came here some of the money because of what? The way he treated the boy. Some people go to church, and let us not lie. Some people go to church and sow seed of 10 million. I have a lady that went to Zion and sow seed of 10 million and go back with stent sickness and see come back. That is why I haven't come to Lagos. They paid my flight ticket, but I have to drive. Now, why I'm angry with ChukwuKa? Like I said, I'm not going to be talking so many things. But as in a case we will talk, my anger with ChukwuKa and his boys, why will you send your boys to beat a man who gave you such money? Why will you order your boys, ChukwuKa, to beat a man who cop out not 1 million, 2 million to 3 million naira cash? Not if you calculate all the expenses and the time wasted, it's even close to 4 million naira. Igwa your tout, Igwa your gangsters. I got cover ife because let me tell you, this is why if I talk now, they say I too like trouble. I don't like Eba the member of press. Sometimes you see me talking about it. So if I talk about pastor, do you know 2017-18, Muna TV Joshua Abago War, Muna Jeremiah Abago War, Muna Buchili, South Africa Abago War. Go and check it on internet. Special war, no be when that period, if you talk about it, they will kill you. Me and TV Joshua fight, I appear, I carry my sword. Don't be sad. I don't talk when he die alive. Don't be say, I they come. No. Nothing concerns me with native doctor. Reason why, who drew my attention to native doctor was ChukwuKa. Because he came and said, he giving pastor power. I hate when somebody claim what he cannot do. I know. Reason why he do that is because of people like Onyeze. Because Onyeze was his friend. So he now believe that everybody is now Onyeze. So if you see me carry sword and go to water, he said, well, me and Onyeze is doing the same thing. Onyeze, what is he doing? Is he not a Catholic boy? Is he not a Mbaka boy? Is he what that means? Is this Sabbath? Have you seen Sabbath people carry ram and go to water and start killing lamb? Sabbath know they kill ram for water. Okay, get it straight. That is nonsense. Nobody go to water and keep broad. Anybody that go to water and keep broad does not know nothing. It's creating more problem to you because killing broad in the water is attracting different demons to attack the person. You better be poor. Any of a job and a child, you're in a big problem. Let me tell you this. Now, reason why I'm always mentioning, if you claim you know God, you know Bible very, very well. My only anger with you, stop answering Zion. Because you shouldn't answer Zion because what you're practicing is Roman Catholic. So you cannot answer Zion and be doing things of Roman. Zion are for Sabbatarians, are the Jews. Okay, can you come and open Quran now and start using it in your church. Sabbath is different from Roman Catholic. So I don't want that mixed up. So you should hide when we are talking about a real prophet. You're not part of it. You're not part of you're a fake prophet. Because you cannot carry things of Israel, go and be mixing it up with something of Roman. Who told you that the Israelite and the Roman, they agree in the same thing? If you go to Israel, mention Jesus Christ, they arrest you. 2 years imprisonment. True or false? That is only my anger. First, your Roman Catholic, this may want to. But don't come and be asking Zion, answering Zion. Do you know what the meaning of Zion? Zion are the city of David, are the holy city. I was assigned to the God told me that the whole world will bow on Mountain Zion. This is why they give me 1.6. I cannot carry 1.6 million angels. I will come and be afraid of you because they have money, because they have police. Listen very, very well. Many of you like throwing lies, supporting evil because of your gain, like J-Pack now. J-Pack will see what Aqua do. Instead for him to advise Aqua, he will not. He will not advise him. The same J-Pack that will fought in Aqua, they breathe him in Zion and begin to pay him money to blackmail other people. Now, the same person have left from Zion and enter upon native doctor. So, you that preach it, everybody that preaching about native doctor, why that his boy that they are paying money is the head of the native doctor? The first people that promoted native doctor was the JPAC. The first people that the bloggers they pay to come and fight online is Zion. The same JPAC. Does it show you know God? I'm only trying to tell you things I know. It's like when you carry Bible, you do what is in the Bible. You can't carry Bible and be doing all sorts of things. I don't want anybody to talk about it. You see, let me tell you, Bible. Bible is not only word of God there. They have word of Satan in the Bible. Bible belongs to God and also Satan. That's why you have people like in the book of Nebuchadnezzar. They don't know God, they're also rich. You have people like in Solomon, they know God and so they are rich. You have people like fellow doesn't know God, they worship idol. They are there. So Bible is not book of God, but it has word of God inside. So you can only call it, it's not only prophet as in the Bible. That is why anything you're doing, if you're worshiping God, show us that God. If you see me in the water, didn't Elijah go to water? No, anything I do that I don't understand, come and challenge me. I will tell you, I'll give you Bible backup of what I do. If I go to water, I'll give you Bible backup. Jesus Christ said, go to water. The greatest prophet was John the Baptist was in the water, baptizing people. So if I go to water now to pray, what is different from that one I doing and the one with John the Baptist? Answer me. That's why I do everything I do. I bring it up because I study Bible 7 times from beginning to end, and I was review Bible, deep revelation by what? I was so if I say something now, in next 50 years, you may not know it. What I know about Christianity that make me close my church on Sunday. You know, you people thought, he don't have people. He don't. Do you see? I posted one video. Have you watched my music? Do you know I've done program with the mobile? Do you know how many crowd I used to control? But when Bible say, once you begin to speak the truth, the word will hurt you, and I am that truth that the word hates. The just stone will later become the canal of cheapest stone. This truth don't get much quoted there. Not somebody they crying. I can cry like 3 million. But when I'm telling you 2 years ago, 3 years ago, this is when I go kill me. The same way they gather on my page, they're going to kill all of them now. They are the one crying. Many of them they are poor today. If I am not delivering people from Okite, I've delivered more than 2,000 people. I've delivered more than 10,000 people. Please, we miss this call. +234 903 222 6076. Just want to call for the program. Please let me pray my son to entertain you, and God bless you. You are welcome to Dr. ChukwuKa Dibia program on IGBO the blessing. All those evil is getting too much. Like I said, there's one girl they killed again in Igbo land. I will pray the video. I will pray the video later. I did not prepare for the program because I put time. So maybe in the evening or next Sunday I will be bringing. No, this program we used to bring things. The topic we are talking about will be showing you. Many of you that why I cannot show Aqua only already done the program yesterday. Go and watch the video. You see, it's full of the boy now. A man or them. Let us call the spade a spade. I'm not pastor, but if they do, I don't check them up on Facebook and work. All those useless as why now. All of them, nobody will carry it. But if it's pastor, all of them will carry it because it's a walker. You are afraid they will not talk it. What is different from Akwokoko and the other people? If he say if Ebukobi do evil, nobody should talk about it. Because he said Chukwuka. Why you do evil? Whether you whoever you are will tell you to that mean Igbo only Igbo. Only Igbo you're not Igbo man, Chukwuka. Because we know Igbo people from do you know what is Igbo? Igbo were the original people of God. Igodo. Now you are afraid to speak the truth because of money. You are afraid. You're not an Igbo man. Igbo man, see, reason why the Igbo people they are afraid of them because Igbo stand on the truth. Forget before. That's why Igbo deities are very, very powerful. Before, now, not now. Maybe check everything. And I told before I got Chiozo, I ain't go for a Chiozo. Or for a ChukwuKa. As what I put a you were brilliant and also. The reason why I did millions and also for you to speak the truth in the community. But now, don't like that. Even now, if we can go to idol, Gangui, the idol will kill you, kill the innocent person because of what is no longer idol that is there. They have destroyed the tradition of Ndibo, Goziogo, in name of idol. That is what killing people. That's why one useless person go, one useless, come on, make will give you. See, if you go to any idol, they give you anything to drink, you don't drink. If you drink, you will die. That is poison. They will kill you. Come and take your properties. Think it's your family that they'll come and take your land, come and take your things. How many people Arosi they kill now? Most of Arosi that kill people does not exist in Igbo land again. Most of them have gone. He said, see, let me tell you, Arosi, they have those ones that they have good Arosi. See, let me listen to me. They say when they have bad prophet, they have good prophet. I am a good prophet. Our mission is to fight the kingdom of darkness. Somebody call me. Say, how can I be fighting? How can I be fighting? Time I was supposed to use to go and gather my member and collecting money. I use it to fight. You don't know that this now they have hacked your page. Now, because you didn't understand me. I have opened new page. I have only 70 something. I don't care. I have paid as 100 and something thousand. They hack it. No problem. I had one of 30,000. That's 5,000. I had a page of 70,000. My TikTok is almost 100,000. They hack it. This is my new TikTok. So, I'm not making $1 on Facebook. My page is not monetized. Get it straight. So, the purpose of this preaching, this page, is to enlighten people. That's why no blogger that didn't carry my program 2022, 2023 because of what I know they monetize anything. Any blogger can use my video. But only why I'm against is when all those fake bloggers that they pay, the Ebukobi they pay, they come and begin to lie against me. People like James Agowala, Park, Ijo and Dezu, all those useless hungry bloggers that are looking for money. Nobody can pay me $1 for anything and they can't stop me. If you know you have paid me $1 to speak about you, bring it. Come. You see, if I look at the case, I talk about it. I know they collect $1 to come and talk. Many of you come and how much you're going to give me, I will talk about it. I know they do that kind of nonsense. It can't pay me. It can't bribe me. It can't give me nothing. I do what I choose. I rejected Billion far back in 2018. Yeah, hey, give you. I don't care. I don't care about it. We're here to save life. In our case, it can't preach what I'm preaching. Okay, now I have people that I know that if I want to do spiritual work now, that's a spiritual work I can collect 2 million. But don't be other equipment because I'm petty for people. I will say, oh, but come and join Saraka. I will try to. Sometimes I'll use my money to do it. How much? Do you know how much they are selling things? Only license is 100,000. Nah, license is 100,000. You want to buy mineral, you want to buy spiritual things for Saraka. You know how much? You go and cook it and do it yourself. When I came back from, I said, since I came back from this, I don't see people. This is why I don't see people. You know, people call me every day. I want to say, well, I don't have that time. I've been working for 3 months. I was in Igbo and I worked for 3 months, no rest. So I want to rest. So if I'm going back to Igbo now to carry again, there's a lot of work to do, especially Anambra State. Anambra State is full of idol, occultism, and occultism is the headquarter. That's why he had to find a true man of God in Anambra State. Oh, yeah. Because hungry will finish the person. If you don't belong to Obuni, belong to Freemason, if you don't belong anywhere, how will you eat? I don't have any friend though. Have you seen me with any pastor? No, show me. Have you seen me with any pastor since you know me? No. Because God won me. 99% of pastors, they have so they have. Forget all those noise they are making. I know, you see, if I want to make a crowd today, I know what to do. I know what to do to the crowd, but that's not it. We are here to tell people the truth. Know that more crowd you gather in the church is more money you have. But me, since I started church, since I started movement, all the money that I never collect 1 naira from offering I put in my pocket. So what is my gain of gathering people and confusing them? Why? Because all the money where they make and people where they work for they take up and they collect them dash on one person. Since I started from Lagos, from East, I am the only first prophet who have done program in Anambra State like 2 times, free, more than how many times? Free, not collect 1 naira. I've done it in Lagos. I sold my Rista that I use in a hotel. Use and do program, pay for this. When I finish the program, I have windows and then the money I come out, I give it to you. I sold my Rista to pay. Go and ask people in Niger. That was in 2018. The one we did in Dibia, we spent how many million there? Do everything we there go since last year. I never collect 1 naira put for pocket. Go and ask people where they are. I mean they spend. The one in nature we spend over how many million? I don't collect 1 naira put for my pocket. So why would I come out as salary? So what is my gain? I got my business. I bought a house 2005. I'm supposed to die 2005. So I have lived almost 20-something years of my debt. So what is my gain? Can you ever gain? Nah. If I cannot tell you what God can do, nobody will save me. It's God that saved me. I'm living today because when I was shot, I was in coma. They took me to the hospital. I was there like almost 3 hours. I traveled as I was going. See, if there's angel, there's angel. There's heaven. There's angels. There's Satan. There's demons. You have not seen it. Okay, ask yourself. Okay, if there's no power, if you never believe in miracle, can we test it? Bring one person that is sick. Put next Sunday. Bring one person that is sick. You never believe in miracle. You never seen miracle before. Bring one person that is sick. By 12 o'clock next Sunday, put the person on the phone. Call me. I will be here. I will not collect 1 naira. I will do the healing. You will confirm there is angel existing. So how can person in Nigeria heal somebody in America? How can somebody, I can heal direct healing. I can steal from here, heal somebody that is in anywhere in the world. Now, the problem with people is this. Why I stop those things? Because God told me anybody who cannot be partner. Why am I wasting the prayer? I shouldn't be praying for them because it's there. It's written. Book of Jeremiah 7, verse 16 to 20. Say, do not pray for those people. Those who are enemy of God. Who are them? Those who bow down to marine God, watching Queen of Heaven. Ask Chineke, say, don't pray for them. But what I do for those things, anytime somebody come for me to pray, for that prayer to answer, I say, let me do mercy prayer. Because God have showed me the weaker vessel is what God answer the prayer. The partners, it was the reason our partner is to help the poor. This is a great mandate. The great mandate is to help the poor. Prisoners, I've seen prisoners almost every week. We help the poor people. I can't come out and start. Say, whatever you show on the screen is no longer blessings. So everything I do, I'll come and show you. There's some miracle I've done 10, 20 years ago. I have never posted it on the internet. There's some secret. Okay, I will bring the person that is died 10 years ago to prove to you that people that died, they are still living. I will bring somebody that died 10 years ago. When I was doing the reference, the person told me that the girl that he went to take her orange, because of orange, he made the girl poor. The girl married, he destroyed the marriage. He said, take your orange. Now, I said, how did he say went to take? I said, how much is orange? He said, it's 3 naira. I said, because of orange, it's 3 naira. That's what you did. He said, yes. Then I have another woman again that, oh, Jesus. You know, when we are talking about spiritual thing, it's not about going to church. Thank you, go to church. Church is good. But don't go to church as like a mumu. Go to church as somebody who have wisdom. Ask questions. You went to church on Sunday. You carry your Bible. Have you seen Sunday inside church? They cannot answer. They will tell you, Sunday, Jesus Christ died and resurrected. This one. Okay, so Jesus Christ died and resurrected on the Sunday. That's the reason why you forget the law of God. Who Jesus told you, if you love me, keep my Father's commandment. Bible says obedience is more than sacrifice. Let me tell you, what is happening in Igbo? There's a lot of occultism and the many things. Okay, when you say the guy go do like say, you know where? They collect people prick. We're in the Igbo liberation. Now, I got hooked up this period. Now, I've given the prophecy. Since I give that prophecy, I know that almost close to 10 girls have died. The one that we know. What about the one we don't know? Who is killing them? Many of them, they want to make Yahoo. They want to do this one. They want to do Okite. They want to do IGBO. They want to do this one. All those are not Igbo tradition. We are going back to the root. Has nothing to do with Igbo. We're already back to root. I'm back to the root. Root now to worship ChukwuKa, to know the true God, to worship the God of our ancestors. Our ancestors don't worship idol. I'm not against our ancestors. I believe in our ancestors very well. My father is a native doctor. But you know, my father don't get idol. My father is a healer. He they give medicine to people. He have saved many people's life. He's a kingmaker. So now, as I came, I cannot follow that way. God called me in another way. He knows. My name is Dibia. Go to Ibuku. My father is one of the most powerful man, strongest man in our place in Ibuku. And I'm telling you, guys, ask anybody that to know Ezanye. Our place, you know, go if you come fight us. You know, if you come with war. You know, if you come with police. You know, if you come. We have lawyers. We have people. There's people. See my brother where they do native doctor. They will not agree. But the only thing that I use my fence to block them. Now, let me make something clear to you. If you have a brother that is already doing idol worship, know that you already have the devil inside your house. The same way you have Bible. Bible is not only for Christian. Occult people, they use Bible. Freemason, they use Bible. Native doctor, they use Bible. Devil, no Bible. But if you can't Bible, Nebuchadnezzar is inside Bible, was controlling, was even punishing the prophet of God. Nebuchadnezzar Pharaoh sees the people of Israel for many years. So use that one to know the history of Bible. Bible is a word of God, but it's not book of God because it also contains the contents of Satans. If you go to the Bible, you see people that sacrifice their children. True or false? Queen Sheba is there. Harroth is there. Everything is there. Good and bad. The same way it is. So you can never use one thing to qualify because somebody carry Bible does not make him a man of God. Person gather crowd does not make him a man of God. A man of God can't gather crowd. Why are you gathering crowd for? Bible says, go you unto the whole world and pray. So if I gather people in Lagos, as I'm going to Anambra, say, who will not control with them? The problem we have is because of the greedy. That's why they spend TV Joshua. See, I may not be a TV Joshua fan, but I used to like him. And there's some things that he does I admire. See, I love TV Joshua because of what? He don't have many brands. He does not greedy. Not like all those who want to have in America. He want to have in Canada. He want to have branches all over the world. What happened to the people that are working with you? What happened to your sons and daughters? Well, I have 3 many pastors. I imparted more than 100 pastors. They are making it in the ministry. But many of them cannot come out and say, and I don't care. Do you know how many pastors have imparted abroad? Do you know how many America, Canada, different countries? So, but they cannot come out and talk. Hey, I mean, maybe because they have, okay, after imparting, many of them can't impart. They will go and join one, they say, give the glory to Ledim. They will go, so you can become more full. Why they call me yesterday night? I did prayer for that. You make money, become so rich. I said, do your testimony. You don't want to do testimony. Yesterday, he said, I was facing an attack. I said, why? Daddy, I'm facing an attack. He said, okay, because you're facing an attack, and I know I'm your daddy. When last have you remembered that I'm existing? Since I did your prayer last year, that you make money and you're okay. Have you remembered that you have a daddy? I'm not interested. My own is, I told you I'm doing Sabbath, Saturday. Now, I pray for you, want to be doing Sunday. We're not the same thing. So, if you attack, go to pastor that are doing on Sunday. Let them pray for you. I know they do Sunday. I can do program on Sunday, but I'm keeping Sabbath. So if you want to follow me as my son, as my daughter, as my wife, Saturday you must obey it as a covenant. Maybe 2 hours. Anyway, and you observe Sabbath. Pray. Sometimes, I guess I didn't come online. I also have decided to do. But if you go to Onitsha, my people are there. If you go there, see them. Reason why I know they collect 1 naira from nothing consign me. I know they in charge, no money they enter my hand for offering. I know they collect them. No, any money. I never collect money for offering, put for my pocket, and God no go let me do that. And how much is offering? If they bring, I make the use for church something. I never finish the church. I mean they bring my money while they work, they give church. Because I know what it is. It's about giving, sacrifice, powerful. Most of the work I do is dangerous work. Before, when I feel that say, oh, I want you to do spiritual work, you have gone to native doctor, no solution. You have gone to Dibia, no solution. You have gone to you have gone to church, you have gone to pastor, you have gone to the Reverend Father. After you have work finished, no solution, you now come and try. Now try, they come try. After I still pray for them, after you get yourself, some will come and still have sense. I have one that I prayed for, that the guy had breakthrough, very big breakthrough. Your mother was, how can you be giving that prophet money for Salaka? He goes, well, now your mother is sick. The one I want to. I said, no, go to your church. Go to your church. You want the fake prophet when you're sick. Are you not a hypocrite? Are you not a hypocrite? When you're sick, you want the fake prophet to pray for you. But when you're okay, you don't want the fake prophet to even benefit from the prayer. For prayer indeed. We reject it this morning. Pray this morning. I said, any man that say if I work finish, I will not stop. Let it, if you don't work, let it scatter. You don't know that it's witchcraft. I do something for you. I went to mountain, I went to water, under the night, under the land, under the sun, so midnight, I will be in that sea. First time I went to that sea, that was many years ago, when I fasted for 1 year. As I was going to that sea shift go back. I look down, I see the down of that. I couldn't see the down. That was around 3 o'clock. You think today? Now, reason why I go to that sea to pray is this. When I want to see angels, God said, I gave you 7 angels. I said, I want to see the angels. God said, go to the sea, pray, write the name of the angel, you're going to see them. That's the first time I saw angel Rage. That's the angel that's in charge of Friday. That angel came with breeze and carry my passport. My passport, where I hold for hand, breeze carry up. I will look for the video and show you. You see the kind of breeze will come. See, you know, if we talk all those things, you're going to say, now me talk say I want to see the angel. I went to write the name, carry my son, stab on the ground. The angel was coming. He carry everybody, they run. I go show you. Relax. This man telling you now, I go show you, say, water, na God. I go show you like 3-4 places. I go show you for mountain. When the angel, they come with water. I go show you for the sea. When I call the angel, they come with water. I go show you inside this my mountain. If I show you like 3 different places, I will edit the video. I will look for them. Because this song don't reach like 10 years, 5 years. I will bring the video. I will bring the one of 10 years. I'll bring the one of 5 years. I'll bring the one of recent. So you will not say, oh, it's new. Reason why I'm posting some old miracle. For you to know, say, no be today. Most of the miracle I posted on that page is 2020. I can post one of 2015. I can post one of 2010. You understand? So I can give you my testimony. 2005, when I was shot. You will see my... Okay, if you want that my music, you will see when I carry rope. Now cow. If you think that... You do know how many cows I've given to church? That rope where I carry, now 2 cows I carry go church in my life. Many of you, you're giving cow. How much is cow? So cow, what's your life? That's not my church. That's Anglican. That's why I was born. I know what is called sacrifice. If you don't know, it's your own business. I'm not saying you should give to me. But if God do something that worth a life, appreciate the man of God who did that thing for you. It's your God. Bible says, trust in the Lord, your God, that he may be established. But believe in your prophet, that he may prosper. Now, I have a great assignment. I know they build anything for Lagos. Lagos is not my destination. I know where. That's why you see, if you go and watch my video, sometimes you will see that I'm going to go east, I'm going to suffer. God told me, it's not going to be easy for me. Listen, it's not going to be easy for me because I'm fighting kingdom of darkness. I'm fighting church of Satan. I'm fighting idols. I'm fighting Dibia. I'm fighting big men where go hide on that church where they claim say they be church. Do you know that many churches, many houses now, many people that go church today, all of them they go idol place. They go make inquiry. I got your katata Monday, Tuesday. I got Dibia, got prophet. Why can't you stick to that your church if you believe that your church is more powerful? Chineke goes on. I don't want this. I don't want noise. That's why. Let me pray my music to continue. God bless you. Obodo Kwelugono. ChukwuKa. Please, if you're joining, share the telecast. Share the telecast. Invite your friend. You can call +234 903 222 6076. 0903 222 6076. Please share the telecast. Basa knows there. We are in the ChukwuKa program, IGBO liberation from ancestral power, from evil Omenana and the evil churches, arranging prophets and arranging pastors, deceiving our people. Please share the telecast. God bless you. Please, if you're joining, please click love and click like. Drop your comments so I will know that you're watching. Type with Yahweh what things are possible. And make sure you follow my new page, Zion City IGBO Liberation, Healing and Solution. Zion City IGBO Liberation, Healing and Solution. Let me type it here. Zion City. Zion City. Please follow it. Zion City IGBO Liberation. God bless you. IGBO Liberation, Healing. It's an iPhone, the way the healing and the solution. And the solution. God bless you. Solution. Please follow. Please follow me, my new Facebook. Because I'm reporting this one now, so it can be shut down anytime. So it will not be like before that they take me unawares. Follow my new page. Follow my new page. God bless you. Follow our new page. For ChukwuKa Dibia teaching and IGBO Liberation. And I want to once more appreciate everybody that is watching. All over the whole world. As you are enjoying this program, Almighty Yahweh will change your soul to joy. I want to pin it. Our account number is there, so in case you want to buy data, you can buy data for us. Fuel is very expensive now. You can support us. God bless you. It's TikTok. God bless you. Watching for TikTok. God bless you. Our YouTube channel is this: Zion City of the Yahweh Solution TV. In case you want to follow us, please follow us on the YouTube. Zion, because of what is happening to Facebook, sometimes it will be messing up. I will also be coming live on YouTube very soon. We're having technical problem to one of the phones that you are supposed to use. God bless you. So, if you have any question, if you have anything that I said or what you don't like about me, you've been watching me, anything you don't like about me, you can call and tell me. I'm here to listen to you. If you have any advice you want to give to Igbo, you can call and also advise them. They will hear your voice. +234 903 222 6076. You're welcome to ChukwuKa Dibia program on IGBO Liberation and the Solution. IGBO, one love, one family. We are the Israel. We are ChukwuKa Dibia, one love, one family. God bless everybody. Chineke gozon. Mom, listen, watch. Those are watching diasporas, God bless you. Those are watching Lagos, watching from Igbo land, they're watching from Ebonyi State, Enugu State, Anambra State, Abia State, Port Harcourt, Edo, anywhere you're watching for, God bless you. You're watching from America, you're watching from UK, you're watching from Italy, you're watching from Germany, you're watching from South Africa, anywhere you're watching for, Chineke gozie. This new month, Gamaro Noma, Chineke gozie. Happy Sunday, my people, once more.
ChukwuKa Dibia, Omanese Kwelugono, ChukwuKa Dibia.
Oh, come on. Now, what's on those here? ChukwuKa Dibia.
I don't know what I said. Here's what I said. I'll tell you what I want. I never.
Dibia, Akibasa.
Obodo Pelugodo, ChukwuKa Dibia, Omanese Pelugodo, ChukwuKa Dibia. Obodo Pelugodo.
Please cheer. Yakara share button. Invite your family, invite your friends.
ChukwuKa Dibia. Yahweh. Supremo, A to Z production.
Sabati, Jesus, boy, you see. It's a new church, Jesus, boy, you see. Now, only my things are your Jesus, boy, you see. I said to ChukwuKa Dibia, why Yahweh of Israel. Oh, no, Jesus, boy, Jesus of Nazareth, Jesus, boy. Oh, when he sent the sinner, Jesus, when God on the Nazareth, share the telecast, click the share button, click love, click like, because don't check to God, don't name